You can never have too many bags, and I'm gonna show you two of my absolute favorite Tenba bags. Got a roller case and a backpack, and they have secret compartments. So we have two bags here, and quite frankly, as a photographer, I do think you need to have both of these, just depending on what kind of shoot you're doing. This is the 21-inch Roadie Hybrid. Really cool backpack, has computer compartments, obviously cameras, lenses, a million different ways that you can configure it, and a secret battery compartment in the back, roller just like you would need. And the reason I like the 21 inch is because it's international size for carry-on bags for the overhead compartment, and that's huge. I travel internationally a lot for photography, so I need to make sure that this is coming on the plane with me and not getting checked at any point. Now the other bag I have here, this is the DNA 16 DSLR Backpack in black, and this is a really cool backpack. You would not believe how much this fits. Now we're gonna go into the compartments. I'm gonna show you how I pack these bags for the shoot that we're doing today. But one of the main things for me when it comes to bags, whether it's a roller or a backpack, is how light they are when there's nothing in them. These guys, very impressively light. I didn't memorize how much they weigh, but you can see it on the screen right here. Anyway, let me dive into these bags and show you what they got. Let's open this baby up. You can do anything you want. This is just kind of what I've put in here. I have 4 lenses, camera battery, 2 strobes, modifiers, flash. It comes with so many of these compartments. You can configure this however you want, but here are some of my favorite features. Aside from all the pockets at the top, I've got 2 of these. These are Tenba. This is card holder, which is, you know, your basic card holder, but it has on the back so you can put it right on your belt or your belt loop, which is kind of nice. Same thing with these batteries. Little batteries for DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. And again, you can just put it right on your belt. I love the functionality. They just have all that stuff in mind. This is one of my favorite features because of course you've got everything you need here in the bag, but maybe you just want to carry your lenses, or maybe it's 2 lenses and a flash or a strobe or whatever. And then you could leave the heavy bag somewhere and you just got what you need to, you know, go off the beaten path for a moment. So that's the inside. Again, you can configure it however you want to, but let me show you some of the secret compartments. On the top here, we've got the computer sleeve, all the little pockets for your dongles and your chargers and your card readers. Everything you could possibly want out of a computer section. Let's give it a little turn. We've got our lock, of course. And then this little secret where you can like really lock it up. You know, which I guess seems kind of silly, but for me, when I travel in airports, I have to go to the bathroom sometimes. And I don't want to bring the entire suitcase in the disgusting bathroom with me. So this is kind of nice. I can just lock it up somewhere with all my other locked up stuff and feel safe. Not that I've ever had anyone take anything from an airport. We have handles on the top and bottom, which is really nice. And if we keep turning, we've got a compartment here, or you know, maybe you can stick a tripod or a modifier right there. Very, very helpful. But my favorite secret compartment is the one on the back. This little guy is so sneaky. This is holding 2 of my strobe batteries, like all the way down in there. Isn't that the best? I can't believe how much stuff this holds, and there's another little pocket here. So needless to say, this is pretty great. Oh, there's another compartment. You know what this is for? This is for attaching for the backpack. So you can just attach it here, roll through the airport, and still have a hand free to hold your coffee. God, they really thought of everything. I'm glad this is my favorite backpack, not backpack, Roadie. All right, let's get to the backpack. I don't even know where to start with this, there's so much. First of all, the roll top. This is one of my favorite features because sometimes I stuff a roll top to the brim, and this is cool. This is a slide. Boop. Sometimes I stuff them to the brim, and sometimes I can roll it all the way down and it can be a smaller bag. So I'm a real big fan of the roll top. This one has Velcro, which just keeps everything safer. And this is pretty deep. It's empty here, so but you know, you can configure it however you want. If you want to, you can take out that little lens holder from there, probably plop it right in here, just like an easy transition for maybe you brought everything, but you're not gonna bring everything on one particular shoot of the trip. This compartment right here, all the little things. I got batteries in here, I got some gels, typical stuff. All right, now this is my favorite. This looks like it would just be a compartment, but no, it pulls out. Look how practical that is. So you're shooting, you've got this thing just on one shoulder, and you can open this and reach out and grab another lens. This fits a lot. I've got my huge RF 85mm in here. I've got my flash in here. I've got an A2 in here. and my transmitter. It holds a ton, and there's these little flaps right there where you can kind of stack things. So holds a lot and just really easy out shelf. I have a lot on the top, so to push it in, I do have to lift that. Pretty cool. And the material is nice, it's durable. You get something on it, you're gonna be able to wipe it off. It has a waterproof quality to it. Water resistant maybe. All right, you've got your side pockets where you can have some protein bars. And then these are nice, so if you're gonna use a side pocket maybe for tripod or light modifier, you can keep it nice and tight against the backpack. And of course, the other side has it, but it's a little bit different. Like that was an elastic, and then this one is a Velcro, so you have both. Now, one of the favorite features, aside from being able to put up to a 16-inch laptop in here, which is great, is this right here. It's called Airflow. It's super cushy here, so if you put your laptop here, it's not going to be like smashing against your back, but it's also not heavy. So if you have this on your back, it's cushy, and then with this airflow technology, your back isn't sweating. These are the little things. I mean, when you're going to jobs and you got to carry all this gear, you look like a pack mule anyway, so it's just nice to not be sweating. Of course, you've got your supports here too, you know, if you want to add something there, and then here, you know, you can put this around your waist, just making things a little bit better. I'm sure there are so many other fine details when it comes to this backpack, but you know, really super comfy. It's just a great overall backpack. I am a huge fan, both of these. DNA 16 DSLR Backpack, as well as the 21-inch Roadie Hybrid. Yeah, I think I showed you all the things. Let me know what you think of these bags. Do they have enough compartments? Do you think they would be useful for you? I'm pretty happy with the price point as well, so let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, hit like, subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time.